Are you confused about which business to start? Could it be product based, service based, or digital product? In this video, I'll break them down, compare their flexibility, their product magic, and also tell you which one is the easiest for beginners. So watch this video to the end, and as usual, my name is Rita and I have tried all these three businesses: selling physical products, offering services, and creating digital products or selling digital products. Each has its own pros and cons, but the best one for you depends on your lifestyle and your goal. So let's dive in. Now let's talk about product-based business. Product-based business involves selling physical products. It could be your shoe, wristwatches, hair, gadgets, beauty products, or even food items. As for this business, they are not flexible. It is not very flexible. You will need to handle inventory, delivery, weigh bill, stocking, packaging, and sometimes you need to do face-to-face sales. But the profit margin in this it varies also. It usually between 20 to 50%. And if you are buying in bulk or you sell directly, you can increase your margin also. And in this business, the question is, can I do it as a part-timer or can I do it as a full-time? You can start as a part-time, but as your order grows, it becomes a full-time hustle, especially with logistics and customer services. Or the advantage of this business is that it is tangible, it's easier to understand. Very easy to understand this business. People trust physical products easily, and you can scale up to buying in bulk. But the disadvantage or the cons of this business is that it required upfront capital for stock. You need to get the money to buy these items. Also, you need to factor in storage capacity, storage issues, your delivery stresses, the drivers, the way bill, the rider, everything must be factored in. And also your inventory risk, the unsold goods. Sometimes when I go to some people's shops, I used to imagine, is it possible for these people to sell all these goods? These are things you also factor in if you are going into physical based business or product based business. I hope you are following. Like this video and subscribe. Let's learn more. All right. Number 2 is a service based business. This is where you offer your skills, what you know. You use what you know to make money, or what you can do to make money, to solve problems. Either you use your time or you use your skills. Examples are the cleaning services, the consulting, the freelancing, installation, makeup artist. It is very flexible, especially if you offer your own services online. Yeah, if you're a freelancer, you can work with 2 to 3 clients. And however, it requires your time and physical presence, especially for manual services. If you're a plumber, you need to be there to do the work, or you need to employ someone to do it for you. So the profit is high. The higher margin profits it does have, because you are not reselling, you are not selling anything. All you need to do is to sell your time and your skills. Almost 70 to 80% of profits, since it is minimal material cost. So it is very perfect for part-time if you are skilled, but the income depends on how many clients you can serve. So if it's the advantage is that you have low or zero startup capital. If you know what you are doing, you do render their service, they pay you. So it has the high profit margin, and if you can build trust and people can refer you fast if you know what you are doing. And it's very good for beginners with practical experience or practical skills. The disadvantage is that it's limited to your time. You must be there to do the work. You must be physically present or actively working on it. And it's very hard to scale. The only way you can scale this is by hiring other persons. And when you hire other persons, they will share from your profits. You can't have it all. So I hope you are learning. We have talked about the service-based product business. We have talked about service-based business and product-based business. Then the third one, which is digital product-based business. Digital products are things you create once and sell repeatedly. Just like having a soft copy of a manual, you can print it as many times as possible. So digital products are ebooks, online courses, PDF guides, digital templates, or selling of software assets. It is 100% flexible. Yes, you can make sales while you sleep. No physical delivery, no cost, no stock, just your laptop or your smartphone. The profit margin here is extremely high. You can make up to 90% profit margin because after the first creation, there's little to no cost in delivering it. Most digital products is once the person has finished creating, the vendor has finished creating the product. When you make your payment, they only give you access to the drive where this product is stored. And one product created can be sold over a million times. That is where the profit is. That is where you will hear people saying, I made 10 million in a week, I made $5,000 in a week, just by selling digital products or by owning digital products and people are selling it for you. Because you just created it once and you are selling it. The only way, maybe the cost of advertisement is also what you factor in, but the margin profit is high. You can make it a full-time, you can also scale it to, you can make it a part-time, you can also scale it into a full-time passive income business. Alright, so the prompts there, the advantage of this digital product business is that it has no cost to start. You can automate it. Yeah, you can automate the system. Unlimited scaling. You can sell to one person or you can sell to 1 million persons. You don't need to be present every time you make sales. You automate all this. You make money while you sleep. So the disadvantage here is that it requires time to create the content upfront. And you need the marketing skills to drive sales. And some people prefer physical products. So trust building is very important here. They need to trust you before they buy from you. So the question now is, which of these business is best for beginners? If you are a complete beginner with little capital, the easiest to start is a service-based business. I will tell you why. You can offer services with their little skill you have, like home cleaning, installing hair, braiding, or even simple digital services like managing WhatsApp group or social media pages. But if you are willing to learn marketing and you want passive income, digital products are the smartest long-term business that will make you money while you sleep. Product-based business are also good, but only if you have some capital and you have already made up your mind to face the stress of the stock and also for the delivery. So now you know what products, service and digital products are. Choose anyone based on your current time, your money and your skills. So if you want me to show you step by step on how to start digital product business from scratch, or how to sell these digital products and learn how to create your own product, I want you to click the link in the description box or the link in my bio. I have a free guide that will teach you how to start up this digital or affiliate marketing, sell other people's products and make money for yourself. That is the category of digital products. Go through the video and you can make payment to get started. It's not free. You learn and you earn. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like my video, share to 5 of your friends. and I will see you in my next video. If you like this content, get ready to see more of it in this page. Subscribe for more. See you.